Hey now, besties, so many exciting things happening today. So first, I finally got an upgrade. So from now on, you should be seeing my content look significantly crispier because this is the Sony ZV-E10 and I got her on Cyber Monday. I wanted to film this with my Sony today, but my microphones haven't come in yet. So we're still on my Samsung Galaxy, but she is tried and true. She has not failed me thus far. So anyway, that was my piece of good news. But now I have some for you guys. So I felt really bad that my allergic girlies couldn't participate in my last giveaway because the products weren't exactly hypoallergenic. And I know that a big portion of my audience is made up of allergic girlies because that's mostly what my content is about. So I took this opportunity on Black Friday to support one of my favorite brands ever, Etain Cosmetics. I will be doing a giveaway for my allergic girlies only. I got the boxes for my last giveaway packed and ready to ship out after I finish this video. Congratulations to those two. I went ahead and purchased the entire Etain starter kit so that one of you besties could finally experience this amazing, amazing brand that I love. Let's see what you'll be getting if you win this giveaway. So this is the Etain nail lamp. We've got some lint-free wipes, and these are actually lint-free, not like, you know which ones I'm talking about that have lint everywhere? These don't. My absolute favorite ever, and I actually picked one up for myself because I had to restock. And this is literally my favorite brush ever. Look at this. Oh, she's amazing. So you'll be getting one of those. Next up, we have this metal file. Very pretty. A cuticle pusher, Etain strength powder, and in here we have our gel. So first up, we have Etain Cleanse, and this is just a cleanser for prepping your nail plate. Then we have my favorite product of all time, Etain Adhesion. This is the most versatile base coat you will ever own. You can use it for gluing on your gel X tips. You can use it as a regular base coat for structured manicures, builder in a bottle. This literally does it all. You're gonna love it. I picked the color Cheeky. It's absolutely stunning. I thought that would be the best color to pick for my bestie who is just trying this out for the first time. Then we have Etain Matte Top Coat. I actually haven't tried this for myself yet. I forgot to pick one up for myself, but I'll get one. And then Etain Shine, an amazing, amazing top coat. I would say it's more of like a rubber-based top coat than a regular top coat. It definitely has a thicker feel to it. Love that.
Oh goodness, and I almost forgot that it's also going to come with Etain Hydration. This is their newest product, and I just talked about it in a video, and it's absolutely amazing. Everyone needs to try this. So I will also include one of these in your package.
And last but not least, we have this cute little accessory bag for you to put all of your new products. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put all of this back in the box because one lucky bestie is going to get all of this. And I'm super excited. I really want one of my allergic girlies to win this. So the rules this time are really simple. And because I need a photo, this is going to be a TikTok only giveaway. So for my YouTube girlies, hop on over to TikTok so that you can enter this giveaway as well. So all you have to do is make sure that you are following me and post a picture of one of your contact dermatitis flare-ups. That is it. It's not a competition. It's not the worst flare-up wins. I will be picking randomly like I did last time. And once again, because shipping is insanely expensive and I've already spent a ton of money on this and shipping for the other giveaway, I do have to limit it to my US girlies only. Again, super sorry for my international girlies. I promise you next year I'm going to do something open to everyone. And because this one is significantly more limited to who can win, I'm going to leave it open for longer. So it's starting now and I will be announcing the winner on December 25th. Good luck!